Hey, Doc, this is it.
Oh, look, Western Union telegram.
Great Scott!
This is to confirm that a package received by this headquarters is to be given to you with these explicit instructions. Young man of following description, huge smile, wears glasses, drives a 1959 Nash Metropolitan. The package must not be opened until this exact location, California or Virginia, at this exact minute, 12 a.m., December 25th, 2011. I'll be keeping that. It's pretty cool.
Looks like a suitcase.
What was this? Oh, no way! Oh, I think I know what this is. Oh, you know what this is?
Oh, is that the video camera you used to tape Doc's?
Oh my gosh, no way.
Is that what it is?
Oh, look at that! Oh my gosh! Oh my god, that's awesome! Oh my gosh!
Wow, it looks like it's brand new.
Oh my gosh, look at that! That is awesome! Oh my gosh! It's like brand new.
Yeah, it totally looks brand new. Look at that case.
Wow, that's awesome!
Tell George thank you.
Thank you, George!
This is truly amazing. A portable television studio.
Wow, very cool. Very, very cool.
Fascinating device. It's a video unit.